There's nothing good on TV anymore.
Donald Trump is part corn.
I don't want to watch politics.
Donald Trump has started planning the border wall.
Is there anything else on TV other than Donald Trump? Ooh, Food Network. I can watch this.
Today on Food Network, we are making taco bowls.
That looks really good.
Trump's favorite recipe.
Gosh darn it.
Hi, are you bored in a lowlife?
Well, I have a job and I make a good amount of money.
Well, I'm looking at you!
I just said I'm not a lowlife.
I said I'm looking at you!
Okay, I'm a lowlife. What do you want?
Well, I give you the Fidget Cube.
A fidget cube?
See? It clicks. Oh, it clicks all bright. You see? Hey, it's a joystick. See? You spin it around like this. Oh, it feels good. It's got a switch. It's got a switch before Nintendo did. Oh, look at this ball right here. I don't know what it does, but it clicks also, and you can roll it around. Gears. Gears. Oh, an indent. Ah, so satisfying. Call this number right now. We'll get you one of these. Oh, man, this feels good.
Thank you for calling the Fidget Cube Center. Your wait time is 1 week.
How could this happen to me? I made my mistakes, got nowhere to run. The night goes on as I'm fading away. I'm sick of this life, I just wanna scream. How could this happen to me?
Thank you for calling Fidget Cube USA. How may I help you?
Yeah, I wanted one of those fidget cube things.
Okay, your package has arrived.
Really? Wow. Hello.
Hey, here's your package.
Oh, thanks. Have a nice day.
Don't tell me what to do.
All I said was have a nice day. These people of New York, I tell you. Oh my gosh. It looks even better in person. I can't put it down. I'll go on a walk.
Come on! Why the heck do people still have their Trump signs out? The election is over. Could you watch where you're going? Ah, these people in New York. Oh my god, what happened here? Oh, that's right. It seems like wherever I go, Donald Trump is everywhere.
Would you like some chocolate?
Oh my gosh, I would love some.
Maybe you should have bought some.
Hey, kid, want some drugs?
Oh, no thanks. I have a fidget cube. I don't need that.
Nerd.
girlfriend's parents aren't home. I gotta get there fast. Favorite song. Oh, she texted. Did I just hit something? It's been like 3 years since my stupid cousin died, and then immediately after was just a chain of events, and each one of my family members just keeps freaking dying. Ugh, I'm so sick of it. First Eddie, then Will Dog, and then Chad, and then I'm so tired of it. They all died for one reason. They bought stupid shit on TV. Take my mind off of it. I'll go watch some YouTube. Hi, are you bored in a lowlife? What?